Evan Lasley's working with the 15 Now Coalition.
Well, I'll keep it brief. My name's Evan Lasley. I'm a district organizer with 15 Now Southern Oregon. We're fighting for low-wage workers all across America who want a living wage, who want a dignified wage. Now, I've been involved in politics a lot in the last 5 years. I remember when Senator Ron Wyden asked that question to James Clapper about whether or not the NSA was spying on millions of Americans. Senator Wyden was the one who asked that question, and James Clapper lied to us, and we know that now. But now you see Senator Wyden standing with President Obama on this issue, against transparency, against the voice of the people. This, as Snowden said, is about the power of the people to have a meaningful impact upon the decisions that our government, our republic, the leaders of our republic make. And this throws it, the TPP throws this all out the door. All right, this is about the power of the people. Can we meaningfully influence the provisions within this agreement or not? And if we don't have access to that information, if we're going to WikiLeaks in order to find out the basics, some little bit of what is in this proposal, that tells you where we're at. So, I really think it's important that we're all out here today. Everybody's looking to Oregon right now, and to you guys here. And what we say to Senator Wyden, and whether or not we stand for transparency and for the power of the people in our republic, or whether we allow this proposal to move forward, which will have impacts for a dozen years, for 20 years. It'll set policy for this whole future, for 17 nations. And the people are getting pushed out of this process. So please, stand firmly for transparency. Stand firmly for our sovereignty to be involved in the decision-making process for this proposal. Thank you for being here today.